Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find DoorDash promo codes in 2025. So with the help of these promo codes, you will get free food from DoorDash and you can also get free delivery. So in order to get the offer, you just have to simply come to coupons.com. On this website, you will find a bunch of different coupon codes that are currently working as of January 2025. So here you just have to simply select the coupon code in which you are interested. Like you can get 25% off on local restaurants for a limited time, and you can even get $5 off on selected healthy sports plus $0 delivery fees. So let's say you are interested in this deal, so you need to click on the get deal option, and as you can see that for this deal you don't need any promo codes. Now before using this coupon code, you need to make sure that you read the terms and conditions here by clicking on the terms and conditions options here. And as you can see that you can get $5 worth of discount, and this is for an existing and new customers, which is a good thing. So you just have to come at DoorDash and create your account. I would recommend you to create your account with a new email address and phone number in order to get the discount. Then you just have to simply use these deals or promo codes there, and you will find your DoorDash promo codes. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.